Best Review Tech.
Item type: car smoke machines. Brand name: FOXWELL. Output pressure: 0.8 to 1.2 bar. Smoke output: 12 liters per minute. Supported system: intake system test, exhaust systems test. Power source: 12-volt fully charged vehicle battery. Adjustable flow meter? Yes. Built-in air pump? Yes. OBD interface: CAN, EOBD, OBDII. Supported vehicle type: ATV, heavy-duty, commercial, motorcycle, passenger vehicle. Pressure gauge: yes. Supported system 2: car sealing test, fuel tank system test. Leak test: all pipelines. Available liquids: baby oil, white mineral oil. To ensure usability, only Johnson & Johnson baby oil pink label is recognized. High-concerned chemical: none. Origin: Mainland China. Type: smoke leak detector.
Please click subscribe button and press bell icon to get more videos. Check description below for product link.